In my opinion, Exitus Elite is the best online business for beginners in 2021. Hey guys, how you doing? It's Dan Froelke here behind the camera today with an Exitus Elite update for you. This is going to be a quick video today. Not my usual extended PowerPoint presentation, but rather an update on my Exitus Elite business. And let me tell you, it's been phenomenal. I've gotten some amazing results that I want to share with you and some new team bonuses. And I also want to share with you why I joined Exitus Elite and why I think Exitus Elite is the best online business for beginners in 2021. Now, if you're looking for my full Exitus Elite review, that video will be at the very end of this video right here, and it's just going to be in the upper left-hand corner, and it's going to look just like this. In my Exitus Elite review, you're going to learn all the FAQs, what are the Exitus Elite products, the compensation plan, how we market the Exitus Elite system, and my team bonuses. All that and more in my Exitus Elite review video at the end of this video, okay? Now, I'm not sure how you stumbled upon this video right here. Maybe you're looking for more information about Exitus Elite. Maybe you're watching some Exitus Elite reviews. Or maybe you're searching for the right coach, mentor, sponsor to guide you through this online journey. Whatever your reasons are, you are in the right place at the right time because I truly believe Exitus Elite is the best online business to get started as a beginner, and here's why. Now, I've been in this online marketing space for over 12 years now. The first 3 years, I failed miserably. And incidentally, you can check out my full story by clicking the very first link in the description of this video, okay? So I know from experience, it can be a little scary starting a new online business. There's a lot of moving parts, a lot of things to try to figure out on your own. Well, Exitus Elite breaks it all down and provides step-by-step training with their e-learning educational products, training, and tutorials. The educational platform that Exitus Elite provides will teach you the key skills you must master to succeed online. And what's really cool, once you learn these skills, you can apply them to any online business that you get involved with. Now, I hear this often. People say they want to make money online, and most are pretty sincere about it. But few are willing to take the necessary time to learn the key skill sets to succeed online. And really, all you need to do is master a few key skill sets, and you're on your way. The video training courses and resources found in the Genesis product library inside Exitus Elite are great and will give you the knowledge you need to succeed online. And these step-by-step video training courses include list building, how to sell high-ticket products, Instagram advertising, Facebook group advertising, email list marketing, learning cryptocurrency, leadership, web design, team building, SEO, I can go on and on and on. Newsfeed advertising, WhatsApp marketing, TikTok marketing, Snapchat marketing, LinkedIn marketing, YouTube marketing, free traffic marketing, and paid traffic marketing. Again, I can go on and on and on. We also have a lot of mindset training by the great Jack Zufeld, and that has played a key role in my online success, having the right mindset. And I worked on that in the early days, and it's really paid off over the years. So we've got excellent mindset training. So that really is the main reason why I joined Exitus Elite and why I think Exitus Elite is the best online business for beginners in 2021. The Genesis product library is phenomenal. I have one goal for my personal brand and business, and that's to mentor, guide, and coach as many people as I can to create their own economies, just like I've been doing for a long time now. And Exitus Elite is the vehicle that I use to do just that. Now, at the other end of Exitus Elite is their optional affiliate marketing platform where you can get the resale rights to sell the Genesis educational product packages for 100% commissions. All right, 100% commissions paid directly to you. You'll be paid $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and even $2,000 per sale, you guys. and I'm the top earner, top sponsor in the Exitus Elite affiliate platform, and I'd love to coach, mentor, and guide you every step of the way to make these 100% commissions. Now, for those of you who don't know me at all, I want to log into my Exitus Elite members area and show you some results. Just a little proof to show you that I am on the level to show you how to do this stuff, how to make money online. But first, I have a legal disclaimer for you because I am going to show you some results that I'm getting. All right, now these are my results. Results are not typical. In no way do I guarantee or imply that you will get these results, if any at all. Okay, we're going to log in, but first I want to show you the date because I think that's pretty relevant to what I'm going to show you here. It is May 13th, 2021. Thursday, May 13th, 2021. All right, log in here really quickly. And we just added the G2000 level, and people are really excited about this. A lot of people on my team are upgrading, and that is really awesome. And again, if you want to watch my full Exitus Elite review, well, it's at the end of this video in the upper left-hand corner, okay? So I just want to show you really quickly the monthly leaderboard. This happens every single month. And as you can see, right up at the top, G1000 and the G2000. Now, I've been on the G1000 leaderboard every single month since I've joined. This month, I'm right at the top, but usually I'm 1, 2, maybe 3, but I'm on the leaderboard here. And as you can see already, number 1 at the G2000 level. I've had multiple $1,000 days, $10,000 weeks, and my very best month so far is over $38,000 with Exitus Elite. And just the other day, $3,000 within 24 hours. So I mentioned a lot of people on my team are upgrading because they see the value of the G2000. So let's go over here and look at my income. G2000 sales. Okay, now these people here have upgraded just in May here. Again, it's only May 13th. So let me, we'll go May. So May 1st starts right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, $9,000 in income, and it's only May 13th. Okay, let me show that again so you don't think I'm fooling you. That's how powerful the Exitus Elite affiliate platform is. Now, can you imagine if you just got 4 G2000 sales in a month? That's $8,000. Okay, even if you just got 1, an extra $2,000 a month. That would help out the average family tremendously. All right, let's talk about my exclusive team bonuses, because I always put a lot of things in place to help jumpstart my team members and put them in profits fast. Now, I have way too many bonuses to mention, but I will mention just a few, okay? For example, when you join me at the G1000, G2000 level, I'm going to put your first person in for you. And I'm going to pay for some traffic for you as well, okay? It comes right out of my pocket, top tier 1 traffic sent right to your Exitus Elite capture page. And if you want to put your Exitus Elite marketing on autopilot, well, I have a team traffic co-op that you can plug into and get top tier 1 traffic automatically. I have an exclusive team training site with my personal setup tutorials, traffic resources, and strategies for you and people who join you on your team to get them up and running fast. And I just added these team bonuses right here, my 2021 Craigslist training. I walk you step by step on how to set up your ads and how to market on Craigslist. It's a very inexpensive way to get leads and sales to your Exitus Elite business. I even supply the ads for that, and I have a strategy where you can get leads from Craigslist without posting any ads. I have exclusive banner ads, splash pages, 200 pre-written ads, and you can use those on classified ad sites and social media sites. $597 worth of free ad submission software where you can post for free on classified ad sites. 5 free websites where you can advertise to thousands daily. So to see all my bonuses, all you have to do is click the very first link in the description of this video. It's going to redirect you to a page. You can see all my team bonuses and watch the 5-minute video that's going to explain everything about Exitus Elite. And if you are sincere in your desire to build a profitable online business, well, Exitus Elite is for you. And I want you to remember this right here. There are no shortcuts or secret formulas for making money online. You simply must commit to your own education if you truly want to succeed. This is Dan Froelke. I really appreciate you watching this video, and we'll see you on the next video. You take care. Thanks.